Hey guys, welcome back. Ernest here. Today's video, we're unboxing about 6 Hot Wheels cars. So let's go ahead and unbox them. And today we have a Ford Focus RS, the Dark Knight Batmobile, an LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GT RR version 2, a 1985 Honda City Turbo 2, a Porsche 935, and a 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. Okay, let's look at the Mercedes-Benz first. The next car in today's video is a Porsche 935. Okay, let's look at the 1985 Honda City Turbo 2. Next one is a Ford Focus RS. Okay, next one up is a Hot Wheels, the Dark Knight Batmobile. Looks like these come out in 2 colors. You also got the black edition, and this one seems to be a blue edition. Okay, the last one in today's unboxing video is a LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GT RR version 2. Okay, that's all the cars from today's unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time in another unboxing video. Thanks, guys.